What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some surf fishing today. Just gonna throw Lucky Craft and maybe experiment with some different colors. But yeah, I'm gonna really focus on throwing Lucky Craft. Perch bite has been pretty good lately. I don't know if I already said this, but we're gonna go out to Oso Flaco, and it's really early right now. It's probably like 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can get and hopefully get some good footage for a good video. Thanks for following along. There we go, finally, guys. Good sized perch on the Lucky Craft. He got in the mouth and it went back and got him in the side of the face. Here we go, guys. Good perch. Good perch. See? Fish on, guys. Here we go. Good fight. This one's really pregnant. This one's super fat. Look at this one. It's huge. That's my hand. Look how fat that thing is. She's about to burst. Let's get her back in the water. Oh, the baby's coming out. We'll get him safely in the water. The hooks are deep inside her. How's it going? I was trying to get the babies back in the water.
Oh yeah, you need that color. It's a nice size.
Yeah.
How many you catch?
There's still one more. Yeah.
You got these loaded, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I buy one.
Yeah, I fished all along here for like about the past hour and a half and no bites until I got right here.
Maybe start by because the high tide coming.
Yeah, it's coming in at like 10:30.
Yeah. Maybe move one.
Have a good one. So the trouble we have here, she's pregnant. I got most of the babies into the water, but the hook is like, she swallowed this thing, so let's see if we can get her unhooked. Fish on. Snagged her. Another big female. Let's let her go. There we go, Lucky Craft. Let's let her go. She's pregnant. You see that fish? She's a good one. There she is. On Lucky Craft. Let's let her go. Back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Caught I think it was like 3 fish, so they were all quality, all big ones. That one that was super pregnant, never seen one that fat bat before. That thing was a football. And yeah, I just caught them all in Lucky Craft. It was all in the Lucky Craft Aurora Black color. So yeah, hopefully I can get out and do some more surf fishing pretty soon. And if you guys haven't checked out my last video, it was probably should be trout fishing out there. So check that out. And yeah, we're gonna there's gonna be some big announcements on this channel coming up in probably a few weeks or so. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully some more fishing videos pretty soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.